Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best engine-driven welder you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best engine-driven welder in the market. So, let's go for top 5.
Our number 1 choice is Tomahawk 15 HP engine-driven generator welder. The Tomahawk TWG210A welder generator is designed for high power and durability. Ideal for farms, construction sites, or any job site that requires electrical power, and CC means constant current stick welding. Convenient back wheels allow for maneuverability for portable on-site welding and can also be used for emergency backup power when necessary. Featuring Tomahawk's incredible 15 HP engine, with 2000 watts of DC output, this welder generator will provide you with the power you need wherever you need it. Producing up to 210 amps of DC output with a 60% duty cycle. Producing the cleanest power of all, this welder's inverter engine with 210 amps DC voltage provides the most reliable amperage control for many applications. 2000 watts to power your favorite tools and electronics. Includes: weld longer with clean, uninterrupted inverter power and increase your efficiency. Use the welder's wheel kit and handles for portable welding. Wherever. Whenever. For precise adjustments, this easy-to-read digital meter and dial provide better control when monitoring amperage for optimal performance. Weld today with a welding kit built to fit your needs, including a TIG torch, MMA stick holder, copper leads, grounding clamp, gloves, and more. For details, let's watch more. Our second best engine-driven welder is Tomahawk 7 HP welder generator stick welder. The Tomahawk TWG120A welder generator is designed for high power and durability. Ideal for farms, construction sites, or any job that requires electrical power and CC, constant current, stick welding. Producing up to 120 amps of DC output with a 60% duty cycle, it is suitable for welding from 6x10 rods up to 6013 rods. Convenient back wheels allow for maneuverability for portable on-site welding and can also be used for emergency backup power when necessary. Featuring Tomahawk's incredible 7 HP engine, with 2200 watts of DC output, this welder generator will provide you with the power you need wherever you need it. 7 HP permanent magnetized alternator supplies stable amperage for welding, all while providing 2200 watts of reliable power for use with your most essential electric tools. This welder's inverter engine with 120 amp DC voltage provides the most reliable amperage control for many applications. Quiet technology and extended runtime, 72 dBA is great for your next project or home backup, with 8750 starting watts and 7000 running watts for up to 5 hours runtime on gasoline. IntelliGauge monitor voltage, frequency and operating hours with ease. Use a damp cloth to clean exterior surfaces of the generator. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Lincoln Ranger 330 MPX engine welder. The Lincoln Ranger 330 MPX engine welder generator is a powerful and versatile machine that caters to the needs of both professional welders and outdoor enthusiasts. With its robust features and exceptional performance, it's a dependable companion for a wide range of welding and power generation tasks. One of the standout features of the Lincoln Ranger 330 MPX is its exceptional welding capabilities. With a rated output of 330 amps, it can handle a variety of welding processes, including stick, TIG, MIG, and flux core welding. Whether you're working on light repairs or heavy industrial projects, this welder generator can provide the necessary power and precision. As a generator, the Lincoln Ranger 330 MPX is a true workhorse. Its 12,000 watt peak power capacity means it can easily power a range of tools and equipment on a job site or serve as a reliable backup power source during emergencies. The clean and stable power output is essential for sensitive electronics and equipment. Considering its power, the Lincoln Ranger 330 MPX is relatively portable. The compact design and sturdy wheels make it easy to transport to different job sites, even in rough terrain. The fold-down handle adds to its convenience during transportation. The control panel is intuitive and user-friendly, making it accessible for both experienced welders and novices. It offers a variety of welding settings and power outlets for added convenience. The digital display provides real-time information about welding parameters and generator status. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 on our side is Lincoln 225A gas engine-driven welder. The Lincoln 225A gas engine-driven welder is a dependable and portable solution for welding needs. It may lack some of the advanced features found in larger and more expensive welders, but it compensates with its simplicity, durability, and affordability. Whether you're a professional welder in need of a backup machine or a DIY enthusiast looking for a reliable welder for occasional projects, the Lincoln 225A is a solid choice that won't disappoint. Its portability and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any welding toolkit. The Lincoln 225A gas engine-driven welder is a workhorse that embodies simplicity, reliability, and efficiency. With a solid 225 amp welding capacity and a rugged build, it caters to the needs of both professional welders and DIY enthusiasts alike. For a compact engine-driven welder, the Lincoln 225A delivers commendable performance. It's capable of handling a wide range of welding tasks, including stick welding, SMAW. With a 225 amp output, it provides sufficient power to tackle various welding jobs, making it suitable for repairs, fabrication, and general maintenance. Built by Lincoln Electric, a trusted name in the welding industry, this welder is constructed to last. Its rugged exterior can withstand the rigors of outdoor work, including exposure to dust, dirt, and minor impacts. This durability ensures that the Lincoln 225A can handle the toughest welding conditions. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best engine-driven welder list is Tomahawk 5 HP engine-driven welder. The Tomahawk 5 HP engine-driven welder is a portable powerhouse that offers reliable welding performance at an affordable price. Its compact design and ease of use make it an ideal choice for those who need welding capabilities on the go, whether for work or DIY projects. While it may lack some advanced features, it compensates with its durability and budget-friendly price point. If you're in search of a reliable and portable welder that won't break the bank, the Tomahawk 5 HP engine-driven welder is definitely worth considering. The Tomahawk 5 HP engine-driven welder is a compact yet robust welding machine that packs quite a punch. With a 5 HP engine, this welder is designed for portability and versatility, making it an attractive choice for professionals and DIYers who need welding power on the move. Despite its compact size, the Tomahawk 5 HP engine-driven welder delivers impressive performance. It can handle various welding processes, including stick welding, SMAW, and provides a reliable 150 amp output. This power level is sufficient for a wide range of welding tasks, from minor repairs to light fabrication work. This welder is designed with simplicity in mind, making it suitable for welders of all experience levels. The straightforward controls and easy setup allow users to get to work quickly. However, it lacks advanced features and settings that more experienced welders might require for specialized tasks. For details, let's watch more.